Hi, I'm Lydia from the faculty team at Meridian Academy. In this guide, I'll show you how to record a lesson video using Loom directly in your browser and how to share it with your students in just a few clicks. This is perfect for recorded lectures, revision sessions, or any content you want students to revisit at their own pace. Let's go. First, go to loom.com and sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Since we're recording in the browser, make sure you're using Google Chrome for the best experience. To start recording, click the Record a Loom button. A recording panel will pop up, showing different options. Make sure full screen is selected. You can enable the camera option if you want your face visible in a small bubble. Make sure microphone is enabled. Click on Start Recording and choose what you want to share. You can share your entire screen, a specific application window, or just a browser tab. Select a specific screen and deliver your lesson as normal. Loom records everything: your screen, your voice, and your camera bubble. When you're done, click the red stop button that appears in your toolbar. Loom will automatically process your recording and open it in a new browser tab. You'll land on the video page where you can give it a proper title, for example, Introduction to Data Analytics. You can trim the start and end if needed by clicking Edit and much more. To share with your students, click the blue Share button. Copy the link and paste it directly into your Google Classroom post, your email, or your institution's learning portal. Students click the link and can watch instantly. No account needed on their end. And that's it. Lesson recorded, titled, and shared in minutes, all from your browser. If you need any help with Loom settings or integration with Google Classroom, reach out to the faculty support team. Happy teaching!